Aloe vera is a versatile and popular choice for indoor plants, known for its medicinal properties and striking appearance. Here are some ideas for incorporating aloe vera into your indoor space. 1. Bright light spot. Place your aloe vera in a spot with plenty of bright, indirect sunlight. A south or west-facing window works well to promote healthy growth. 2. Unique containers. Use decorative pots or containers to enhance your decor. Consider ceramic, terracotta, or even colorful planters that complement your interior style. 3. Terrarium inclusion. Combine aloe vera with other succulents in a terrarium for a beautiful display. Just ensure the plants have similar care requirements. For desktop plant, aloe vera makes a great desk plant as it requires minimal care and also helps purify the air, boosting your work environment. 5. Kitchen companion. Keep a pot in the kitchen for easy access to its soothing gel for minor burns and skin irritations, or use the leaves in smoothies. 6. Hanging planter. For a unique twist, try a hanging planter to showcase the trailing leaves and create a lively focal point. 7. Grouping. Group aloe vera with other succulents or indoor plants for a vibrant, lush display that adds depth to your decor. By incorporating aloe vera in these ways, you can enjoy its beauty and benefits while enhancing your indoor environment.